Creating consistent character can be tricky, but it doesn't have to be like that. So in today's video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to create consistent character. So we're going to be using Leonardo.AI. So what we're going to do now is to need to make sure that our model is we choose the correct model. So we chose a Phoenix 1.0. The model is okay, we choose the correct one, and then the prompt enhance is on auto. The style is dynamic, so we can just choose the style that you actually want. There are different styles that you can just choose from: minimalist, macro, illustration, graphic design, vector. So you can just choose the one that you want. So I'm gonna just choose a dynamic. So, and then on the contrast is on medium, and then the generation mode is fast, and then image dimensions I'm using 16.9, and then it's on medium. Also, the number of images is 4. I cannot use 2, only if I'm on pay version. So I cannot select, it's automatically selecting the number for me since I'm on a free mode. And then we come here to advanced settings, and then we come here to use a fixed seat. So you need to come here to click the fixed seat on, and then we go back to the image that you already created. You already created this one like I did, and then you come here to copy the seat. So you copy it, automatically it's going to show you here that it's been copied on your clipboard. So then you come again back to the fixed seat. So you're gonna put that number, you're gonna paste it here, and then then just like that you have a reference for the next prompt to use the very same future of the girl. So we're gonna go back to DeepSeek, and then we're going to copy the second prompt, and then we're gonna go back to Leonardo. So we're gonna delete the first prompt, and then we're gonna put the second one, and then we come here to generate. So you're gonna need to wait some few seconds in order for Leonardo to generate your image. So we can just go through the previous image. We can just click it so that it can be on the big screen. As you can see, this is the little princess Aisha. She looks so pretty. So we can just go through the images. You can see that the consistency is there. She looks the very same way. Can just see the consistency, if it will keep the consistency again. So we're gonna just do what we were doing before, and then put the prompt on this one, and then we wait some few seconds. It's definitely the same girl. So it's just an easy method to get the consistent characters using Leonardo. This is the best way to create the consistent characters using Leonardo.AI. Change that. Look at this one. She's still remaining the same, but the only different is only the dress and the place. The hair is still the same, the height is still the same, so the consistency is actually excellent. So I think we came to the end of our tutorials for the day, and thank you so much for watching the video up until the end. And then if you want to support my channel, please just share the video, like the video, and also subscribe to the channel. That's how you can support my channel for free. And then those who are doing that, I really thank you so much. Just continue to do the great work. Thank you. Bye bye.